Hi guys, it's Andy at Charleston Eastgate and welcome back to this well overdue update. As a start, I'd like to thank all of the channel viewers and subscribers for sticking with me during my absence and continuously supporting the channel, even though I've not had a lot of content to share with you. In the summer of 2021, I rather hastily scrapped the Charleston Eastgate layout. My plan was to start a new project in the shed. Work commitments and other things got in the way, so my plans came to a halt. Before I knew it, it was 2022. After the fantastic summer of last year, I finally made a start on the shed. This mainly consisted of repainting, weatherproofing, insulation and shed security. Unfortunately, after a heavy downpour, my first problems came to light. Long story short, I had 2 separate roof leaks and another one from the side walls. The project is now on hold until warmer weather arrives, where I will probably re-roof the shed before carrying on with the build. My little test track has been my main lifeline to the hobby. It's nothing exciting, but this short 1m20 test track has kept me going for a while. It is, however, time to get a little project up and running so I can finally play trains and make some new videos. This small layout is a project to try out new techniques and improve some modelling skills, as well of course somewhere to finally run some locos again. The overall size of the scenic section will be 180 centimetres long by 70 centimetres wide, with a similar sized fiddle yard off to the left hand side around the corner. Since I did this rough plan, things have slightly changed due to the sharp corners, but the overall idea is pretty much the same. I've started with a simple TMD track plan to include a British Rail manufacturing plant and paint shop and a small TMD shed with refuelling point. To the front will be a single line for DMU traffic ending at a carriage cleaning point. I will be recycling a lot of the old layout as I want to keep costs to a minimum. That said, I want to use this mini layout to try and improve various modelling skills, so I won't cut corners or cost to get a reasonably decent looking layout. The TMD layout is DCC, with a bus wire being the only electronics involved. I've not filmed any part of those initial stages as I wanted to get a move on, and let's be honest, there are plenty of videos out there showing track and cork laying. Once the track plan was finalised, I stuck down 2mm cork before loosely pinning the track down. When I was happy everything ran smoothly, the track was pinned fully before testing again. After a quick splash of colour, the old baseboard started looking like a layout again. With the track tests complete, it's time to get onto my favourite part, the scenery. The TMD will be accessed under a road bridge on the left hand side. With the back scene board now in place, it's time to firstly repaint the sky before moving on to building the road bridge. Please join me for the next video where I will attempt to paint the sky and try my hand at scratch building a road bridge from timber offcuts and cardboard. Many thanks for watching, and I hope to see you for the next instalment. Cheers. Bye.